The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla there again, big up and respect. And listen what me I say to you now, see? Now, you see this video I'm going to present to you shows of a person. This person went to a hospital seeking help because this person, according to what has been said on social media, is that this person said him not feel well. So I said to you, and then when this person I get the help from the medical team or the persons who work at the hospital, this person turn around and refuse the help and I reject and all kind of things. That's what I'm saying to you. Now, I'm going to play the video so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. You see me? And you're going to see what I'm talking about, really and truly. Now, for those who might not like to see, the whole hospital thing and so forth, you see me? Viewers' discretion is advised. You understand? Yeah, now take a look, listen, and observe.
You can't force me to do anything. You can't force me to do anything. I asked for a lawyer, brother. You can't do that. If y'all gonna try to quarantine me or whatever, you can't force me to put anything in my arm. You cannot do that. It doesn't work like that.
You gotta do a workup on you, dude.
It doesn't work like that.
But you're sick, man.
But it doesn't work like that. How do you know I'm sick? You haven't even done a test on me.
You're coughing already.
You won't let me do a test from you.
How do you know I'm sick? You haven't even done a test on me.
They tried to do a test on you. No, the test they got
Work like that. It doesn't work like that. It does not work like that. It doesn't work like that.
They got you, dude.
You can't force me to do anything, bro.
But you're sick, man.
I'm a man.
We understand that you're a man.
I'm a man. You can't force me to do anything, bro.
But you gotta do a workup on you.
Before you stick a needle in me, I want a lawyer up here. You can't do that. Am I under arrest? Am I under arrest?
No, not under arrest.
Well, how can you force me to do something?
So, James,
Try not to.
How can you force me to do something if I'm not under arrest?
listen, I'm trying to explain to you. The
Some shit gonna change.
doctors talk to you.
Some shit gonna change today, bro. Y'all talked to me when I was a kid.
I'm trying to explain.
I was a kid too. And I'm a man now.
Listen to him, man.
I'm a man now. Okay, I'm listening.
So the doctors talk to you. They did not feel like you have the capacity to make medical decisions based off their discussion with you. And so
how do I not have that?
that's the
I'm a grown man now. How do I not have the capacity?
Okay? And all we're trying to do is help you. Nobody wants to hurt you. We're
I
just
don't
trying to
wanna
make
hurt
sure that you're
anybody
okay.
I am okay.
Boyd, Robert, Young, Charles, Edward, first name William, common spelling, white male, 68, gold 303.
So if you'd be willing to let us do what we need to do medically for you,
Yeah, I've
we won't have
tried
to
that
go
already
through all of
before.
this.
That's not what I need.
And I think that's the concern, is that you're sick. We can all tell that you're sick,
I'm not sick.
but you don't want to get the help that you need.
I'm not sick.
You were sick enough to call an ambulance.
Shit gonna change today. It's called a revolution. Revolution. That's what that's called. Revolution. That's what this is called. Y'all know what a revolution is? Do you know what a revolution is? Huh?
What does that have to do with you being sick?
Do you know what a revolution is? Do you know what a revolution is, brother?
You don't even.
This shit gotta change. All this shit gotta change. It's called a revolution.
Yeah.
I'm revolutionary. Yeah.
So you want to make everybody sick?
Nah, that shit ain't real. Coronavirus is not real, bro. Come on, man.
It's not?
Y'all better get on with that bullshit. Y'all better get on with that bullshit. Y'all ain't fooling me with that coronavirus shit.
Doctors.
Yeah,
That's a good example.
Man, y'all better get on with that shit. Y'all ain't fooling me. I'm not the masses. I'm smarter than them. My IQ is over 100. You are not fooling me. Yeah, I'm finna expose that shit. Fuck y'all.
He's saying he doesn't care if he infects anybody else. He doesn't care if he gets anybody else
Fuck
sick. He
that.
doesn't believe
I'm not crazy.
COVID is a real disease. Those are the things that he's saying to the doctor.
I'm not crazy.
So we're concerned that he's going to leave and then go infect other people.
People a little basic. They thought I was crazy. Nah, I'm not tripping, bro.
I'm
not tripping. I'm not sick.
She has filed him saying getting treatment.
Dr. Claim wants to have the sooner come get him. She won't come get him because she's concerned that he's sick and he's going to infect
I'm not
people where
sick.
she lives.
Yeah, I'm not sick. I wasn't sick when I was a kid. Doctors put me on medicine and said something was wrong with me. No, nothing's wrong with me. Nothing's wrong with me.
So James, just a question. So you called the ambulance, right? Can you put your
Because I had a cough.
Okay.
And I wasn't feeling well.
Can you put your mask back on for me, my man? I appreciate it. So you called them and because you weren't feeling well.
Yeah.
Okay. So they brought you to the hospital, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so basically you came here seeking help you to feel better. Am I right? Okay. So you got this whole group of people here. Can you turn? Can you?
She's gonna change today.
So
There's
James,
gonna be a lot of changes going on after
James,
this.
my thing is this.
After this, there's gonna be a lot of changes.
James,
Y'all owe me.
Hold on, James.
Y'all owe me money.
James, listen to me.
Y'all owe me.
James, you came here.
Bro,
you
y'all
came
owe
to-
me.
James, you came to the hospital, right?
Y'all owe me.
James, are you listening to me?
Things are gonna change after
You
this.
came to the hospital for
If
help.
I gotta die for it, I don't care.
James, you came to the hospital for help.
Y'all owe me.
You got everybody here that's trying to help
Y'all
you,
owe
man.
me, bro.
So what do you want us to do, man?
Y'all owe me and y'all owe a whole bunch of Americans.
James,
Just like me.
so what do you want us to do,
Things are
man?
gonna change today. Things are gonna... See, what's crazy is that this is not the old times. The revolution will be televised. See, that's what they didn't tell y'all, bro. The revolution will be televised.
Come on, man.
It's different now. Yeah, it's not the 70s no more.
Keep your mask on, my man.
It's not the 70s no more. Revolution will be televised, bro.
James, so what do you want for us to do?
Revolution will be televised, bro.
James, what do you want for us to do? How do you want us to help you? That's what my question is.
Yeah. I want you to give me my 5 basic needs that every American citizen should have.
And what is that, sir?
Yeah. Google them. Go Google them, bro.
No,
You got a
I'm
phone?
asking
Do you have a phone? Google them.
I'm asking you.
Do you have a phone, bro? Google them. Somebody that has a phone, Google what the 5 basic needs of
Keep
a
your mask
person
on,
are.
man. James, keep your mask
That's
on.
what y'all need to do, bro.
James, keep
Nah,
your
for
mask
real,
on,
bro.
man. Would you keep your mask on?
Y'all need to, shit has to change.
What do
Shit
you
has
want?
to change, bro.
You came to us, James. What do you want from us?
I want what I'm supposed to have, bro.
What is that?
My 40 acres and a mule. All that.
Okay,
all
James,
that, bro.
You at the hospital,
I
man.
need all that, bro.
James, you at the hospital.
No, that shit gotta change, bro. This shit has to change.
So why did you come here?
Because I felt like I was sick.
Okay, and
I
then
felt like I was sick.
we're the people that can help you.
Okay, but y'all not put a needle in my arm. It doesn't work like that.
Okay, what
You can't make me do something against my will. That is not right. I'm a man.
So,
And I would die for that, bro.
You got doctors.
I would die for that, bro.
You got doctors and nurses.
It doesn't
here.
work like that. Even if I'm feeling bad, you cannot force me to do anything, bro.
We're not trying to force you
It
to do
doesn't matter.
anything. So
Nah,
what do you-
I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all.
So what do you want
I'ma
from
show
us?
y'all,
If
bro.
if you're not going to cooperate
I'ma
with
show
us,
y'all,
why did
bro.
you come here,
I'm
James?
gonna show y'all, bro. Yeah. I'm gonna show y'all, bro. This shit gonna change, bro.
So
Things need to change in America. That's why everything going on right now. Cause things need to change, bro. Things need to change. Healthcare need to change. We should have free healthcare in America. Other countries have it. Why can't we have it in America?
What?
That is not right.
You're here at the
That is
hospital.
not right, bro.
We got all these people
All
here
these
trying
poor
to help
people.
you.
My mama needs a kidney right now, and we can't do it because we live in poverty, bro. I want to give her my kidney, and I can't give her my kidney because I'm in poverty, bro. Shit need to change, man. It's time for a change, and it's time now.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Can you?
It's time for a change now,
You
not
still
tomorrow.
You haven't
Yeah.
answered my
Nah.
question. What can we do for you right now?
What you can do for me right now is y'all can change what's going on in these hospitals. Y'all give my mama a kidney.
Okay.
You ever seen John Q? Have you ever seen John Q?
Okay.
I can be John Q right motherfucking now.
Okay.
My mama need a kidney. Why the fuck can my mama get a kidney?
What do you need from us? I'm talking about you.
Why? Why can't my mama get a kidney? Is she not good enough for
I'm talking
y'all?
about you. You're
That's
in the hospital.
bullshit.
You're in the hospital right now,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
So
So gonna
what can
change
we-
today.
What
What
do
gonna
you
change? You
want
ever seen? Y'all ever seen John Q?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm on right now.
So James,
I'm ready to die for that shit, bro.
Thanks.
That's
Right.
bullshit.
my man James.
My mama need a kidney. That's bullshit.
All right. So James, with man,
Yeah, y'all come up here. That's what y'all need to do. Yeah.
So James,
Y'all come up here. That's what y'all need to do, bro. For real. I'm in Parkland, bro. Parkland Hospital. That's what y'all do. Yeah.
so James, would you let
The
the
revolution can start today, not tomorrow.
So would you let the
Yeah,
doctors?
this is not the 70s no more.
James, would you let
Us
the doctors-
niggas gonna fight back.
Would you let the
Yeah.
doctors? Would you let
It
the
is not.
doctors?
It is not like that no more, bro.
Would you let the
The
doctors?
revolution will be
treat you, man?
televised. Fuck that. Things need to change in healthcare, all that, bro.
So
Way
you
y'all
got-
treat us in prison. Yeah.
Are you gonna let us help you or
I'm
not?
talking first. Let me talk. Let me talk, bro.
Well,
'Cause I
listen.
have something to say, bro.
We know that,
Let
man.
me
But
talk,
at the
bro.
same time, we're here trying to help you.
My dad is in prison right now because y'all did not give him the right help he needed, bro.
Okay.
I'm ready to die for that shit. I'm ready to die right motherfucking now.
So James, you're not
I'm
gonna
not
let
scared
us
to
help
die. I don't want to hurt anybody, and I don't want to hurt myself.
We're not trying to hurt you,
Okay.
man. We're
I don't want to hurt anybody, and
medical.
I don't want to hurt myself. But things need to change starting
This is
today.
medical staff, man. We're
Things need
medical.
to change starting today, bro.
So you're not gonna let the doctors?
I'm in Parkland Hospital, y'all. Things need to change starting today, man. This is not fair, man. I am not on drugs. I am good. Things need to change, man. Things need to change, brother. You know what I'm talking about, bro. You done read some of the books I done read. One of y'all have. One of y'all done read them books, bro. I'm not trying to hear that shit, bro. I'm not Fred Hampton, bro.
Man.
Y'all ain't finna kill me while I'm in the bed.
No, man. Come on.
You know what I mean?
Come on,
None of
man.
that
You know
shit,
that.
bro.
Dude,
I'm
you
letting you
know my
know.
word.
No, I'm finna fight for my right.
Man, ain't nobody trying to do all that. We're trying
I'm
to
a
help
convicted
you.
felon, right? Look, listen right here.
Okay.
I'm a convicted felon, right? When I went to prison, I rehabilitated myself, bro. Okay? When I got out, I'm still in poverty, bro. So I'm in the same boat that I was in before I went in. I'm in the same hood. Same niggas trying to give me dope. I would never say no names because I'm not a snitch. But anyway, like I'm saying, that shit is not right. That shit need to change, man. Poverty need to change, man. Y'all, these rich motherfuckers, that shit need to change, man. It's too many people out here with money for us to be fucked up like this, man. That is not right. Shit gonna change today. Excuse my language. I'm sorry, but I'm an aggressive man. I cuss. But if you knew what the S word mean, that's made up. You know what I mean? This is not our original language. This is a whole nother language. I'm way advanced than y'all, bro.
So-
Nah, we gonna change. Things are gonna change today.
So you want me to stay here or you want me to go?
You can go, y'all. I don't
Okay.
need y'all. I don't need the police.
Okay, well.
I'm
not
my own
here for-
police.
Okay, we ain't here for
Yeah,
that. So, I
I'm
mean.
my own police, bro.
So are you gonna let
I
them give you
police
some
myself.
medication? Are you gonna
I
let them
snitch on
give?
myself.
Are you gonna let them give you some
Yeah.
medication?
I don't need no medication. Y'all gave me medication when I was a kid.
Okay.
That shit didn't work. Look at me now.
Okay.
That shit didn't work.
But you came
I
to
needed
the hospital.
attention and a role model. That's all I needed when I was a kid.
Come on, dude.
No, I'm not getting on the bed, bro. You can't make me get on the bed, bro.
Okay.
It don't work like that, bro. It do not work like that, bro. It don't work like that. You can't make me get on the bed, bro. I'm not a prisoner.
Come on, dude.
I'm in America, bro. This is a free country. I know my rights.
Okay. All right, you're in the room with him now. Talk to him, please.
I don't want to talk right now. I don't need that energy. I do not need that energy, bro. I got something to say.
Get off the live.
No. The revolution will be televised, bro. Yeah, it's the right way to do this. I know how to do this. Social media is a motherfucker.
What are you
Yeah, I'm very smart. Get off, hang up the phone. I don't want to talk.
Hang the phone up.
I don't want to talk to her, bro.
Hang your phone up.
I rebuke you, Satan. I rebuke you, Satan. Udu Balahi min Shatan Rajim. I rebuke Satan right now. I know what's going on in this world. I got the juice. Udu Balahi min Shatan Rajim. That's what's going on out here. Yeah, I know I got the juice, bro. Nah, y'all can't do that.
That's not working. Okay, thank you so much.
That's not gonna work. I rebuke you, Satan. Get away from me. That is not gonna work, bro. I got the juice, bro. I know what's going on. Shit need to change. Healthcare, criminal justice reform, all that need to change. I am very well educated.
Hey, James.
No, I don't want to talk, bro.
Okay.
Give me a lawyer. I want a lawyer before y'all touch me.
Okay.
It doesn't work like that, bro. You can't. No,
James, here's
No.
Here, I'm giving it to you cold, man, all right?
it doesn't work like that, bro. I'm not trying to hurt you.
I'm not trying to hurt you.
I'm not a
either,
threat.
James.
My hands are on my lip.
I know. But
My
James,
hands are
I
just
got-
like this. Y'all see my hands?
James, I'm trying to.
My hand, nah, I'm not tripping. I'm not tripping, bro.
James.
Y'all tripping. Y'all out here tripping. Y'all lost, bro.
James,
Y'all need to wake. Y'all, everybody's talking about they woke. Yeah, it's time to wake up is now.
So man, why don't you just go ahead and let me give you the medication so we can go, man?
Nah, y'all ain't forgetting me. Y'all gave me medication when I was a kid. That shit didn't work.
Okay, so James.
That shit did not work, bro.
So James, we just like you don't want to put your hands on me, I don't want to put my hands on you. Okay? But the thing about it, man.
Well, we gonna tear this bitch up.
But dude, ain't nobody even trying to do that.
Alright, well, so I'm saying, don't touch me then.
But then
if you don't want to tear this bitch up, don't touch me.
Well, James,
do not touch me.
You're not cooperating with us.
Okay, I'm trying to be cooperative. I don't want to do that.
I know, but then the thing about it is that there
it doesn't
no
work
other
like
option.
that. It doesn't work like that. Things need to change in this country.
There's no other option, James.
Things need to change in this country.
So,
these fake ass Dallas rappers, all you hoe ass niggas, that shit gotta change, bro. You niggas out here are selfish as hell, man. Y'all ain't giving out no food or nothing, bro. You niggas out here giving bikes. Y'all giving bikes.
My man.
Nah, bro, don't touch me, bro. We will tear this bitch up, bro.
Man.
I will tear this bitch up, bro. Shit, get away from me. Please, can I have my personal space?
Okay,
I want my space, bro. Nah, I'm gonna show y'all. I will show y'all, bro.
Okay.
I know what's right, bro.
Okay, James, please.
I will show y'all, bro.
We ain't trying to.
I'm not a hoe, bro.
Nothing, man.
I know what's right and what's wrong.
So
it don't work like that, bro.
Why don't you just want?
It do not work like that, bro. Things need to change in this country, man.
They do, but that's not
I
going
would
to
tell
change.
this bitch, hey man, y'all need to come up to Parkland, bro. That's what need to happen, bro. Y'all worry about everything else, bro. Y'all need to come up to Parkland, bro. For real, man. The time is now, bro. Yeah, y'all bring guns, whatever y'all gotta bring, bro.
Man, why don't you just let them do this shot, man? So we don't have to even go through all this stuff.
Yeah, nah, bro. It don't work like that, bro. Y'all gotta bring guns, all that shit, bro. Nah, I'm for real, bro. The time is now, bro. The time, y'all know me, bro. I'm real, bro. I'm not crazy, bro.
Come on, James, man. Let him do this shot.
Man.
Come on, man. Go ahead, man.
Nah, yeah, you touch me, bro.
Okay,
you touch me, bro, you might die, bro.
Okay, well, you're not giving me no option.
I'm telling you, bro.
You're not giving me no
Please
option.
leave me alone.
Okay, well,
please leave me alone, bro. Like y'all
should
should did when I was a kid. Medical doctors fuck with me, y'all fuck my head up, bro. We would tear this bitch up right now, bro.
Come on, James.
We would tear this bitch up right now, bro. Don't do that, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I don't want no shot, bro. Y'all gave me shots when I was a kid. I'm a man now, bro. I'm different. I know the difference. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. And I will tear this bitch up. Do not mess with me, y'all. Please.
Come on, James.
Please, I'm asking you, I'm begging you, brother. Black man, I'm begging you, bro. I'm begging you, bro. Please leave me alone.
See on the bed then.
Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone.
They can give you a shot right here on the chair.
Please leave me alone. Please leave me alone, bro.
Not until you get on the bed.
I'm not getting on that bed.
Man, help me out, bro.
It doesn't work like that, bro. Anybody know a lawyer, bro? Somebody send me a lawyer? Bro, no!
Come on, James.
It don't work like that, man. This shit ain't right, man. Don't put the phone down now, motherfucker. Nah, bro.
No, you saw me I talk about. The people in the hospital are trying to help this person. You understand me? How them are gonna help you if you no want the help for yourself? You see me I said to you? And you know, to all this person I can support, you see me, and to all the people them where I try to help him, which would be the medical team, it look like this person kinda them are kinda suspect and I try to protect themselves from this person because they kind of suspect that this person might have the whole COVID-19 thing. So I said to you, yeah, because you see them that the mask and all them things there. But overall, still viewers and subscribers, I mean, some of the things when me hear this man talk, no make no sense. You see me? This man say like him want certain things of vanity. Well, really and truly, that now have nothing to do with the hospital. You got the hospital to get yourself check up and, whatsoever illness you might have, you try to fix that. You see me? What them have to do with you getting certain things of vanity. You understand me I say to you? I work if you go work for that. So, basically, so I feel look on this and I wonder if this person is doing these things in order for some form of lawsuit. I wonder, You get to me I say because, you have persons out there who deliberately do some things in order for, if you can pull up a lawsuit case and all them things there. You understand? And you have to be careful of them things that out there too, So I say to you because believe you me, you have persons out there where, if you don't mind sharp, them all jump in front of your car so that you bounce them. And then you say, you lick them on purpose and then lawsuit and all them things there. So I say to you, Yeah, but anyways, back to the point in hand when I talk about right about now. You see me? You listen how the man sound in the throat sound, you know, like the person sound as if you have the flu-like symptoms. You see me I said to you? And then pan top of it, this person acts so stubborn pan top of it again. You see it? Man, yeah, hear me, man. Some people, me just some of the time wonder if some people really and truly look into some of the things where they might do. You see me? You go to them for help. They are trying to help you, and then you're talking all this foolishness, and then I reject the help and all them things there. It don't make no sense to me. A lot of what this person are going with don't make no sense either. You see me? So you can tell me what you think about when me say, you can tell me what you think about what I said. You can tell me what you think about the video. Me just show you my viewers and subscribers. You see me I said to you, and you know, overall, me don't think nothing else that is said about this video. More than a lot of things will happen in this video just don't make no sense to me. You understand? Alright, so yeah, so me left it here, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Me don't know what this person expect the doctor them to do. If you don't want them to help you, me don't know how them are going to help you. You understand? Yeah, I just left it. So, until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see? Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.